Hold on. Yes. Work on it then, baby. All night long. No, nah. No, nah. No, nah. Hold on. Beat, beat. Let's go. Get on the car. Hit it. But beat, beat. Yes. 11 minutes. Get on the car. Today we got this group. Their name is Nona. Nona. You see what I'm saying? I never heard of Nona in my life. This is my first time reacting to Nona. Let's go and get into it. This somewhere here is called honk. I'm honking it, baby. Beat, beat, beat. Let's go, Nona. Talk to me, group. Let's get it, girl. Let's go. Yes. Hold on now, honk.
Look at me.
I'm looking. Yes.
In the rearview mirror.
Review.
Put 'em up. So steady.
Yes.
Buckle up out of heat.
I'm buckled, baby.
If we in the backseat.
In the back seat.
We turn it up.
Turn up.
Get in the taxi.
I'm in it.
Pass me, ready, set, go.
Let's go. Hold on. Let's go. Hold on. Beat, beat. Let's go, ladies. Get. Here we go. Beat, beat. Let's go. Hit it. Get on it. Let's go. Yes. And round. Oh, round it, baby. Round it. Let's go. Oh, she said junk in the trunk. We're gonna make it bounce, baby. Oh, why you taste like that, Nona? Nona, she said the wheels on the bus go run. And she said the drunk in the trunk go up and down, make it bounce and bounce, round and round. Yes, baby. Round it. Ooh, yes, let me smack it. Bounce, make it bounce in. Hold on. Yes, put it in my face. Woo! She said I'm gonna take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. What does that mean? Is that a double entendre, baby? Like when we in the room, you gonna like drive straight? You gonna swerve on it, baby? But you talk about actually when you driving it, you gonna drive, you gonna swerve a little bit, baby. What you wanna do? Talk to me, Nona. Who is she? She looks so good. Yes. Yes. Drive straight. Yes. On the license plate. Let's go. Woo! Hold on. Yes. Work on it then, baby. All night long. No, nah. No, nah. No, nah. Hold on. Beat, beat. Let's go. Get on the car. Hit it. But beat, beat. Yes. 11 minutes. Get on the car. Oh, beat, beat. Yes, ladies. Get on it. Yes. Party, party, roy. Yes. What they say? Get on it. Hold on. Nah, nah. On a in a building. They go. Let me some on now. I love it, so na na. Oh no, na na, got that, ooh la la la. Let me rub it. Let me beat it. Let me beat it. Let me order when na na. Let me order na na na. When I get it, I'ma say na na na. I'ma get that booty, baby. Let me say my powder. Let me get my booty, baby. Shut that with my butter. Shut that with my butter, baby. Shut that with my votes. I'ma get that booty, baby. Let me just poke. Let me just touch. Let me just squeeze. I'ma have that booty, baby. Let me go to eat. Let me just eat. Then I go to sleep. More I'ma tea when I eat it up. On the na. I love you so much. On the na. But that's how they beat me. When I get up and she's gonna say beat me, you know what I'm saying? Oh, nada. No, nah. I ain't gonna lie, that was tough. It was beat, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, man. That was a video right there. Shout out Nona, you know what I'm saying? That was a 10. Highly recommend spin the block again, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, that was a video right there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your post notifications on the comments down below. Leave me some more videos on react to. I'm gonna go and get my wheel road to 4K. So make sure you show them love. I love and I appreciate it. Other than that, make sure you stay focused. Stay consistent, stay motivated, keep God first all times. And I bet I told you, I love you today. Just know I love you and God loves you. So boys, we're gonna understand. Goodbye, boo. Baby.